Hello everyone, today is Saturday, May 19th, I think. And the boys have a game today and I am throwing things across the room. Come back. Oh no, here I am. All right. Hey everybody, it's April and I'm back with another video. A really quick one because I don't have a whole lot of time. So this will not be a 2-hour full face beat. This is just gonna be a quick, I don't want to go out the house with my flat, pale, unlively face. So I want to throw on something to just look like I care. You know what I mean? I just don't want to go to the game just looking, just, you know, throw it together. So I'm just gonna put on a quick little neutral face just to glam it up a little bit. The first thing I'm going to do with this little quick beat is I'm gonna spray my face with my Prep and Prime spray by MAC. Oh, I love the way this stuff smells. And then, I know you can hear it because this mic picks up this thing, and this is what y'all be hearing, that tick, 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 tick. I'm finna cut it off. After I spray my face, today is the day. Hey Kiki, that's some of your silly stuff. All right, here we go. I'm turning the fan off. You're gonna still hear my dryer because today is laundry day as well. The next thing I'm going to do is my new thing is my Cover FX blurring primer. This stuff came in my BoxyCharm box and apply it all over my face. So the next thing I'm gonna do is my brows. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows, and what I'm gonna be working with today, because I don't have time to be playing around, because I have like 20 minutes. I have 20 minutes to be done with this. So I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Brow Gel in 173 or Espresso, and I'm using my Michaels paintbrush, my angled paintbrush that I got from Michaels. It was like $1.20 or something like that, and it works amazingly. I got 2 of them. So, but I'm still gonna take a spoolie and just brush my brows into place. I would like to clean them up, but I don't have time. little bit better, so we gotta move on to the next. Everything seems so gray. I don't know why my lighting is acting like that. Everything seems so washed out. But anyway, nonetheless, the next thing I'm going to do is prime my lids. And right now I don't have my the primer that I normally, or the concealer that I normally use in here. So I'm going to use the one that I used to clean up my brows, and that is the NYX Studio Fix Concealer in NW40, which is one of my favorites to work with in regards to brows. Okay, I'm just patting that into my lid. I'm going to be using this neutral color palette by I think Folklore, one of those sites that I did a review, I did a haul on. You guys saw it, but this is the palette. I'm not gonna be doing mint, is what I'm looking for. Not this one, but this one. That's Innocent. I'm gonna put that all over my lid. And like I told you before, these little cheap palettes that I got, they are really powdery. So when I'm putting them on, I try not to do a whole lot of sweeping, because if I do, it's just gonna be all over the place. And I mean, for the money, it does the job that you want it to do. But you know, you just have to use a different technique. I am going to line them, and I was gonna play around with this one. Remember, I got this one in the BoxyCharm box, but I'm scared. I'm so scared to mess with it because I don't have time to mess with it, and then it messes up because my time is out. So of course, you know, I'm going in with my old faithful, and that is NYX. It never lets me down. This NYX matte. If you're not good at putting liner on, you should try this, because I'm not that good at putting liner on, but this one never fails me. Is my mascara, and I'm going to be using my Tarteist little black mascara.
Premiumbeat.com.
I'm so sorry, I wasn't even recording. I thought I was recording, but yes, I use this right here. This is a tinted moisturizer by MAC. It's from the Lightful C line, and I use that. And I'm using this body blender by oh girl, what is their name? Got the very reasonable brushes here on YouTube. Oh my gosh. I'm setting it with my black opal setting powder and just a powder sponge. Hoping I ain't getting it all over my shirt. Forgot I had on white. Alright, I'm gonna take me a fluffy, this P12 by Aesthetica, which came in the BoxyCharm box. Look how it just gets dark and light. so I can't do anything. I really hate, okay, I'm gonna have to get something, because, okay, so since I can't live without something under my eyes, I'm gonna use this satin bronzer. It's a bronzer, but it's a lightener for me, in Tropical Tan. And I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and just dab it underneath my eyes. See how that is a lightener for me? And so I'm getting a highlight without doing the whole shebang. You know what I mean? Everything out. By me being so dark, my face just kind of contours anyway. Move on into a highlighter, and I'm using this highlighter by Sigma, and it's just a tapered highlighter brush. It's a F35, and I'm using my $1 highlighters from the AOA line at Shop Miss A. And just right there, just to bring it out a little bit more, because I just want that glow. All right, guys. Okay, I'm going to exfoliate with my MAC Candied Nectar. It's just a sugar scrub by MAC. I'm going to wipe that away.
PremiumBeat.com.
So I'm gonna have to clean it up because it's just really messy looking. Oh, sorry. It's just really messy looking around the liner part. So I need a concealer or something, or a makeup or something to go around there and neaten it up. I don't know what I'm gonna use, but I gotta get out of here. I gotta go. I don't have time for this. Okay. I guess that's fine. All right. Okay, that's it for this quick look. We gotta get up out of here before we're late. And I always give myself enough time in case I'm running late, so I'm not really late, but still. Anyway, I still always use my all-nighter spray. And a little bit for you. That's because I love you. Alright, we gotta get out of here. I don't know, I think I need to touch up my lace. I'm gonna have to do something with this hair. I'm gonna have to do something with this hair, baby. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do something with this hair. Okay, I love y'all, but I'll have pictures for you guys for this quick beat. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Mwah!